your body make me loud. I feel make it right.